Amy has something to say. Welcome. Let's read, I said. The special word in this story is the sight word, said. Ed. Said. I'll ask you to find this word later in fun games. Okay, let's read. I am hungry, I said. I am hungry, I said. I am tired, I said. I am tired, I said. I am sad, I said. I am sad, I said. Eat a banana, Mum said. Eat a banana, Mum said. I eat the banana. I eat the banana. I am not sad, I said. I am not sad, I said. I am happy, I said. I am happy, I said. Now it's your turn to try. I will turn the pages and be quiet, look at the words and read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green, said. Can you read this page? It says, I am hungry, I said. Can you also read this page? It says I am tired, I said. And this page, can you read this too? It says, eat a banana, Mum said. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story. Said. Okay. Let's play some games. And practice the word. Said. First, read this. I'll give you a hint. The last word is, no. It says, I said no. Next, find the word, said. Here it is. Said. Last one. What letter does the word, said, start with? It's S. Said. Thanks for reading with me. Let's read again soon. Subscribe to practice more reading.